Ladies and gentlemen, sifikile sigalekile from Osaziwayo Media Talk Class TV. Njengoba nibona nani lapha mngami ngiyacobezela kuhle ngendlela eyisimanga. Ngizocela ukuthi kodwa ubhuti ngoba mina makusho mina abantu ngeke bazoba ngikholwa. Ake athi kuzithula introduce ukuthi ubani lensizwa before sizoza la kulo msebenzi awuphethe la esandleni. Bhuti wami
ngiyathokoza ibizo lami ngingugijimana kwaNduli umswagijima wachistini sake solo safuna namhlanje singohlamazana njengelanga laka Christmas naliphumako.
Lo uthethayo ngunyonyebela abahlolokazi, the king of Eastern Cape, abayazi ngoba bathi kumkalo uGaplaka.
Okay, ngibingelele nje group Original Boys siqhamuka eKZN besila sizo represent eKZN umzinyathi umvoti umasipala wethu Great Town. So nje siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi sibe lana and njengoba nibona sicobezela si happy ngale ndlela exakile nje sabafana beBest Kwaito njengoba nibona siyiphethe netrophy.
Igama lami ngumzamo kaNdlovu osebenzela kakhulu eJoburg eDowntown Music Hub.
Representing Reggae Masters Zerbe Clint again igama ngo Clint Phiri. Yeah.
Sanibonani babukeli, igama uphilile kanzama from Big Brother, also known as umalumekazi weCountry.
awuzake
Umntanenkosi kaNgobese lo encuthu owandile odume ngayo umalume weCountry ko TikTok.
Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie the First, Jah Rastafari.
Naki developed Wamunyayi ke founder and the CEO ya Kamrale Heritage Institute. I'm happy to be here because Ibu Akarona we celebrate our
Invited to this beautiful event, and as umuntu waKwaZulu Natal okhule ngaphansi kwamasiko, I love anything to do with tradition and culture. Ngithanda kakhulu culture yami ngumZulu waKwaZulu Natal, so ngithe bebe ngimema ngathi nje kanjani ngizoza la, so ngize ngesimemo la kuMzansi Traditional and Cultural Music Awards.
yeah malume ngisacela ukubuza njengoba athintile kule phuzu kakhulu lokuzama ukuthi sipreserve iculture yethu especially thina abantu abamnyama. Kusho ukuthini kuwe ukuthi ama-MTCMA Awards abambe lo mcimbi omuhle kangaka ohlanganisa zonke inhlanga zaseNingizimu Afrika?
Kusho olukhulu kakhulu ngoba ngilana nje kumntanenkosi kaNgobese ngiyanxusa ukuthi namakhosi engisuka kuyo ngapha encuthu kwaZulu Natal awuxhase lo mcimbi awusupport ukuze sizokwazi ukuba isizwe esibumbene njengoba ayesibumbile uShaka kaSenza mkhona.
Awuzwake safika ke manje kule ndaba le emfisa ke sixoxe ngayo namhlanje. Ngase nigqoka niqonisa kangaka, niqokiswa ubani?
Ngicela phendula umalume ukuthi sigqokiswa ngubani.
Siqokisa umVaziya Mvunulo Trading useThekwini, yes. uNdlunkulu waseMashobeni. Yeah, inobukhosi nje yonke le. Yeah.
Ulapha ku Commercial City eJobeni.
Ngikuzimpela. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bayanazi kodwa ke abantu abafisa futhi ukuqhubeka banilandele, ngicela nisipha ama-social media handles wenu before nizosipha i-message to young people in terms of njengoba bengisasho ukupreserve amasiko wethu ezabantu abamnyama, ama-social media handles wenu lapho banganilandela khona futhi baqhubeke ngoba sifuna ukunibona nikhula nje.
Alright, so nje ngiqale nje ngibonge to bonke abantu abasupportayo njengoba ku social media, siyabonga nje ngothando. Uphilile utholakala ku Instagram @uphili_nzama, and then Facebook it's Philile Nzama, and then on TikTok it's @Philile Nzama.
Chesa wena mama.
Yebo ngoba sichazile nje mama siyayibongela kakhulu. Ayimama ke leli. Mina ngitholakala ku_Wandile_DA_model ku TikTok, ku Instagram, ku Facebook it's Wandile Cenpilo Ngobese.
Awuzake sibonga kakhulu umlazo wenu kubantu abasha before nginidedele.
So nje abantu abasha nje mina nje into enganikhuthaza ngayo ukuthi nje nikhombise uthando. Siphila esikhathini esinzima, siphila emhlabeni onzima omubi kakhulu, so wonke umuntu uyalidinga uthando ne-kindness. So mina as umuntu othanda ukuspread i-kindness, I would like to encourage you all to also spread kindness. Kindness can go a very long way. So umuntu akadingi sometimes imali, udinga nje ukuthi ube nomusa kuyena. So nje ngicela nje nibe nothando nje, uNkulunkulu nje ahlale enhlizweni zethu, sispread uthando. Nkosi yami sidinga uthando eMzansi.
Ngiyayibona uyiphethe esandleni. Ngicela ukuqala please take our viewers through ukuthi yipi category bebakunominate kiyo njengoba naku unqobile enobobhekene nabo bani lapha kule category abakunominate kuyo.
Yeah, it was the toughest category, but wami ukhuluma iqiniso bengikunominate ku best traditional and cultural influencer.
Yes.
So I think ku category yethu we are about 7 manga. So nationally it's not good Mandebele kuphela, but I managed to go through bese 7
Wow.
Yeah. Though abanye ngabazi ama-influencer, but they are the influencers nabo kima province wabo, but I managed ukuthi nami ngiyiphakamisa impumalanga phezulu.
Awuzwake the province of the rising sun.
Exactly.
Manje uzizwe unjani uma selibizwe lakhe igama lapha ukuthi hayi no unqobile oyithathile namhlanje uzizwe ufila kanjani?
No, it was a mixed feeling. Uyokhola nongakhola, but confirmation ukuthi likhona lapha escreening there's a picture ukuthi uwe vele then I have to stand up become a collector.
Yes.
Yeah.
So umlayezo ngoba baningi abantu abafisa ukuzenza lezi zinto kodwa ke ngoba mhlawumbe abanye abakafiki lapho ufike khona. Yiphi umlayezo onginikeza wona ngoba abantu baqala but uthole sometimes bagcina ezindleleni. Yiphi nje umlayezo obaphathele wona abanye abafisa ukufika nalapho sofike khona?
No, I think it's all about ukuthi ube ne passion into yenzako and uyithanda into yenzako, uzinikele, uzimisele, dedicate your time and yonke into yenzako wazi ukuthi ngiyifuna lento vele. Mawazi ukuthi ufuna ini, it's very kuqhakathekile ukuthi wazi ukuthi ubuyaphi ukuze wazi la uyakhona. So waba nesikhathi ube ne passion, uyithanda into yenzako nje bese ehlizweni yakho uphile yona, ukhambe yona, udle yona, uhleke yona, uwine yona.
Awuzwake maybe your words to iMTCMA for lo mcimbi abawuqalile omkhulu kangaka wokuzama ukuthi amasiko wethu angacikeleki phansi. Yuphi ke mhlawumbe umlayezo ubhekise kubo ke direct ke manje mhlawumbe na ukuzibongela ku MTCMA?
No, all that I can say ukuthi ngithokoza kakhulu ithuba ne-opportunity abasinikeza yona, especially abantu abangakaveleli khulu. So this is the opportunity ukuthi siziveze nathi, and I wish ukuthi MTCMA ingaqhubeka ngoba this is the 4th annual award ukuthi mhlambe iqhubeke beyenza abo 100. So nama-sponsor nje into engayisho ukuthi ma-sponsor mhlambe asondele eduze afake imali ukwenzelela ukuthi nathi sibe nokukhuthala. If you get an award wazi ukuthi una something ekhambisana ne-award then yazi ukuthi iyokukhuthaza abantu, that will also assist mhlambe ekudevelopeni ama-talent wabantu abamnyama especially traditionally.
Wow. Then mfethu quickly, what inspired your outfit before sikudedela njengoba ngiyayibona? Just if you can just quickly take us through your outfit.
No, I'm an African. Uyazi ukuthi kusasa is Africa Day, celebrate Africa man. So I decided to ngibeka isihlangu lapho ukukhombisa ukuthi now influencer ngisi-influencer yamaNdebele kuphela. You can see I'm not only wearing Ndebele colors, so ngitry ukuthi ngi-incorporate onke ama-culture khona in South Africa. So isihlangu nje sirepresenta yonke i-culture khona in South Africa. That's what inspired me.
Best is Xhosa artist.
Okay. Benjani competition before sizofika ukuthi ufike kanjani?
It was tough, my brother. I cannot lie. It was tough. But I'm always trusting God. I'm the man of God. I knew that my God will provide me as He did.
Yes. Uzizwe kanjani ngesikhathi selibizwa igama lapha bathi King Aize ngaphambili bakwethu? Kufikeni nje phakathi kwakho phakathi kuwe mawuzwa ukuthi bathi nayi indondo seyize esandleni sakho?
Honestly, I could not hold my feelings. I was almost crying, but in fact, even now at this juncture, I don't know. I don't have words. I don't have words.
Yeah, I can understand why you are running out of words. So, kunabanye abantu abakubhekile abakufisayo ukuthi bangafika lapho ufike khona. Umuphi mhlawumbe umlayezo obaphathele wona ukuthi wena uzusebenza uzufike la? Umuphi umlayezo ongabanikeza wona ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukusebenza bafike kulezi ngifike kilo namhlanje?
Firstly, ndingathi xa berecorda when bebhala ingoma ufuneka baqiniseke ukuthi babhala ingoma ene message. Okwesibini baqiniseke ukuthi umculo bawuthengisa kakuhle ukhona kuma digital platform everywhere so that umuntu aziwe akwazi ukuvotela.
Okay. So iMTCMA Awards njengoba sazi sonke ukuthi this is their 4th annual awards. Ikuphi mhlawumbe ongafisa ukubona kuqhubeka ukukhulisa iMTCMA from your side as one of the artists wala ekhaya South Africa?
Also business, I would love them to intervene in terms of finance, because I know it's tough ukwenza izinto ezinje alone.
Yes.
So sponsors in terms of on business, ndiyacela ba intervene financially.
Awu siyabonga kakhulu mfethu sikufisela inhlanhla uqhubekela phambili siyabonga. Awuzwa ke bengisathi safuna ukuza lapho ukuthi ngicela ke ushayela ababukeli bethu lapha ukuthi yipi le category le beba nominate kuyo and benjani competition bafethu.
Hey engakusho nje competition ibinzima kakhulu competition nokula since baza babukela ukuthi la eJoburg njengoba sila gijima ipiano nje kakhulu noScott Maphuma bafethu bala abashaya kakhulu ipiano thina njengoba senza lo mculo wethu waseThekwini so bese ngayitshela ukuthi sobuya nayo but ngenkosi sikwazile ukuthi sithole ibest squad and siyathokoza kakhulu siyabulela nje wonke umuntu osinika support wakhipha imali yakhe ukusupporta siyiyouth saqhuqhuzeleka ngathi nathi ngalokho.
Angazi ukuthi nenza ngani lokuthi talent laseThekwini njalo malifika la igoli livele lishaya libulale libhubhise nje kodwa ke bafethu ngisacela ukubuza ukuthi ngesikhathi senibizwa lapha senizwa kubizwa igama lenu nizizwe kanjani uma senoyithatha bathi nayi isezandleni.
Sizwe sijabule ngenye indlela ngoba besinovalo kakhulu and besingayitsheli njengathi sichazile njengoba ukuthi singathi mesifika la eJozi kube khona imphumela nje ukuthi iphuma nayo KZN ngendlela yathi sinovala ngakhona kodwa ke ngoNkulunkulu nangabantu abasithandayo bazivotela ayisaphumelela njengebebona nje siyacabezela impela
sihappy
awuzwa bafethu just a quick one kunabantu abasha abanye bonibheka you guys are still very young nebusy nepusha italent imuphi umlezweni uphathela abantu abasha abafisa ukuthi bayenze lento because I believe that abantu abafuna ukuphumelela akumelanga bathathe into bayilahle ngendlela so umlayezo nje enuphathele wona bazizwele from nina njengabantu nana abasha imuphi umlezweni uphathela abantu abasha abafisa ukufika kulezi ngesenifike kulo namhlanje.
So into engayibeka nje ukuthina abantu abasha ukuthi singalahli ithemba nanoma inini nanoma yikuphi so you have to ukuthi ulwe nento engaphakathi kwena so ungabe sahluleke but zama ukuthi wenze into ezophumelelisa kusasa ungathi umuhlelekile namhlanje mase uzikusasa ngiyayeka lento music so no qhubeka ufight uzowina because nathi besila suke KZN besingazi ukuthi sowina but nakho sikwazile ukuthi siwena kusazo June 16 kunemicabanga emihle esiplan ukuyenza intsha eKZN so izothembela ke kuthina because sofika sina something sithi nayo into esiwinile lade sikhona so intsha nje sokwazi ukuthi igcine ukuthi thina the pregnant like kuzo zonke izinto ama drugs so iyona into esiqhubuzelayo ukuthi abantu abanganathi befane nathi nje bebe clean nase stage beshaya umsebenzi wabo ube right nane EP yethu kuyezayo ke nje kuzonyima kakhulu kuzofika kakhulu
yeah sure thank you so bafowethu kunabanye abantu uma banibona la bazofisa ukuthi banilandele bazokwazi ukuthi niyobe niya kuphi nenza kuphi nakuphi imapha ama social media platforms wenu eniwasebenzisayo so that bazokhona ukuyobheka khona ukuthi inhlelo ezilandelayo ukusuka la zihamba kanjani.
Alright abalandeli bethu ngiyazi ke vele abalandeli bonke basibuka ku-TV abesu sebe original boys nje wabayibonela nawo ukuthi okay abafuna ukusilandela bayela lapha ku-TikTok original boys 4 nje just original boys 4 ku-Facebook original boys badala ngomlilo abaseThekwini ke kule weekend sakuyona nje nge-31 silapha e704 Mid Lounge kwaNdengezi so besikhona siphethe open intuli umjolisi so besibaningi nje kodwa silandeleni lapha epagini lethu nizobona okunye original boys Facebook le TikTok original boys 4 ku-Facebook original boys badala ngomlilo niyayibonela ke nathi abafana beqhoma vela kuyanyiwe umlilo
hayi
akungithusi nanokuthi kuye kwahamba kwaze kwafika esikhathini sokuthi ngihlonishwe nge-award so kuyangijabulisa kakhulu and le award yangikhuthaza ukuthi umusic uhlala ukhula njalo nami ngihlala nginogqozi nofukufuku lokuthi maqhamuke into ezintsha ezizowenza njalo uhlala uphila nama-artist wakithi akwazi ukuya phambili njalo.
Gatsheni kwabenyathi Msonga Busombuluka Babu Gatsheni ngisacela ke ubatshele ukuthi iyiphi le category lobo unominate kuyo ene benjani competition le category
le award le honorary le ayokuhlonishwa nje ayivotelwanga ukuthi nje kuhlonishwa imisebenzi esengenzile eSouth Africa and the world at large ku music industry.
Babu Gatsheni uma uthola le invitation ukuthi uzona because le award ethe ukuthi ukuphakama kakhulu kancane uzizwe unjani ukuzwa nje ukuthi ubiziwe ukuzothatha le ndondo lena namhlanje?
I was so shocked and surprised because bengayilindela. I mean kwesinye isikhathi uyayuthi uma wenza umsebenzi wena wenze nje ngoba vele kufanele usebenze kufanele wenze okuhle kanti behind kunabantu ababukayo wena you not aware yabona kuyangijabulisa nanokuthi thina is behind the scenes especially kuma sound engineers kuma instrumentality akujwayelekile I mean so kuyajabulisa ukuthi at least bangilande ngale ku13 and they brought me to the fore to the fore ukuthi akubonakala ukuthi noma ekhona ama artists edumile front but there are people at the back yabona so kungijabulisa kakhulu kuyasho ukuthi khona la kuyakhona positively
awuzwa kunabantu abangafisa ukufika kulezinga leli osufike kulo namhlanje ngicela ke ubaphe mhlambe amazwi avela kuwo ukuthi mhlawumbe yini kumele abayenze ngokwakho mhlawumbe umlayezo nje uphathele bona ikakhulukazi abantu abasafufusa nabantu abasesebancane abasakhula abangafisa ukusebenza baze bafike la umlayezo baphathele wona ovela kuBaba Gajeni
into engayikhuthaza kakhulu isikole sibaluleke kakhulu ngeke kulunge la kulomsebenzi okwenzayo isikole mongasithandi because even now every year thina siyafunda there is no time la kuthi khona there is no year la umuntu engafundi khona because njoba i-technology change kanje sifunda every year yabona every year uyazi ukuthi I must register and do this ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngiaccommodate kule yabona kule situation engizokuhlangana nayo in terms of equipment
sengizokudedela Baba Gajeni nayi MTCMA Awards siyayithanda lento abayenzayo eSouth Africa mhlambe kubo imapha amagama obaphathele wona abheke kubo nama sponsors out there ukuthi ikhule iMTCMA ngoba nayi sayibona izimisela ukuthi ikhulise abantwana bala ekhaya eSouth Africa
okubaluleke kakhulu nje ukubabonga ukuthi babe nomqondo ukuthi benze lento for ama artists nama musicians because kwenza ukuthi abaculi bakhuthale babe nethemba ngoba ithemba libulala ithemba lilahle uma ungenathemba ila ugive up khona empilweni and ngibafisana ukuthi kube maybe 80% involved ugovernment so that into yabo izokhula kodwa nje ngethemba likaNkulunkulu kuzokwenzeka lokho
ladies and gentlemen sihlala siniphathele osazwayo bala ekhaya namhlanje ku Media Talk Class TV naku sifikile sigalelekile siyabanga kakhulu isikhatsi sakho Baba Gajeni
ngithokoza kakhulu
so benginominated ku Best Reggae Awards yeah
awuzwake manje benjani competition lapha kule category bekunominate kuyo
ebinzima kabi it was something else
besibuya
yeah I know ukuthi reggae like in this country in South Africa it's not well recognized but at least something is happening
awuzwake
so with this it means we're going somewhere
awuzwake uzizwa unjani mase bakubiza lapha bathi uzoyithatha so ithatha sobona ukuthi hayi ngayithatha ngihamba nayo
no it gives me energy ukuthi ngipush abanye abayenza reggae njengami ukuthi no it can happen let's push until we make it
awuzwake umlazo mhlawumbe uphathela abasafufisa la kulomculo wereggae njengoba usho ukuthi abantu abaningi mhlawumbe abasadinga ukuthi bafundiswe ngawo umlazo umphathele bona
no first discipline number 2 focus and you must believe in yourself
awuzwake
umfethu indondo lena banginominate ku Best Reggae Artist and the Best Reggae Group man
uzizwe njani mase uyibamba ngesandla seyifike kwezandla
kuye nomahluko mfethu ngoba into ikakhuluma uqala noyibona kuba nzima yebo injabulo lana ke ayichazeki yebo abantu bangasho bade kunje ukuthi akululanga uyabona ke sisonke siyafisa sengathi mhlambe singayihamba nalendlela sihambe sifinyelele la siyakhona
kunabantu abafisayo ukufika lapho usukhona khona umuphi umlazo ngoba nikeza wona ubatshele lapha ku screen
ngiyathemba ukuthi abantu sebekuzwe kaningi lokuthiwa ungagive up kodwa ke ekungagive upeni komuntu makabe ne target ukubona ukuthi no ngifuna ukuyenza lento ngifuna ukuyenza ngale hlobo uyabona ukuthi umuntu uyayenza ukuthi kuzofika omunye akubonisa ukuthi uyenzile kodwa mhlambe ikumestela
ishodana
angithi yabona so it's not about ukuthi ungagive up kuphela cha mawungagive upanga makube khona indlela oyenza ngayo ubone ukuthi okay ngiyenze ama target awu2 awu3 nginembe eyodwa angithi yabona kuzofika ke
awuzwake sekusifuka munarisho the trophy I was not expecting this to be honest when I got a call for Morena you are one of the people that are going to be honored.
Yes.
Now I normally think that since over the denominations,
Yes.
fair.
Yeah.
But how you are honored,
Aish.
it means that medical wheeling, who in saying from the beginning, it shows what we're talking about honor, and they appreciate, because now my belief so slowly our culture is fading away. So for us this thing, our heritage through Kamraling Institute, it was to say, let's push and see what and awards of this nature, they are motivated and inspiring us to say, so it shows that Africa, and it's Africa Month, and we are doing it in Africa Month, and we are on the eve of Africa Day, which is tomorrow. For now, it says to me, we actually right to celebrate and promote our culture and heritage.
So, they would like to see themselves like you. What message do you have for such people who are looking at you and wish like, how can I get to that level as a human being, or especially as a young person in South Africa? What kind of work do I need to do to get to that level?
To be honest, my brother, whatever you will wrong in life,
yes,
give yourself 100%. Oscar Kenya 99 or 95. Give yourself 100% to say, I'm not just doing this for fame. I'm not just doing this for money.
Yes.
I'm not just doing, it's all about believing in yourself.
Yes.
And then you'll see, you might think what about
yes,
but they're actually supporting your work.
Yes.
And that's why today now it created this Ndondo as one of the legends. And I was not thinking that I'm one of the legends. It was a cultural activist award. Next time I'm one of the activists that push and train our culture and heritage. Yeah.
Wow. Before we to MTCMA Awards, different cultures in South Africa. Mlaetsa oileng hore o libane le bona direct ka ntwe pila on 20 ba yetsang mo South Africa.
I think they are doing a very great job. Ntse when I'm fela mo gore re hopela government e kenelle.
Yes.
We have seen the artists ngata mo South Africa. Ba lla ka taba gore ona support.
Yes.
And we have seen that. I think we are in social platform, we see everything where the artists are now the poppers.
Yes.
And then really industry it is supposed to support such people but am I at dignity?
Yes.
South Africa, I think we still have a long way, but I think there is a department that is specifically dealing with arts and culture. But today I don't even see a banner or a flag. It shows somewhere we are on our own. We are doing these things on our own because if they wanted to be part, they are part because but we want to see them physically because most of these artists are lapid.
Yes.
I want today so we can show because it depends about for you to make something stability.
Yeah.
I think that's all our government should also come into such. It's a fourth awards.
Yes.
But if it was the second or third, somewhere government should have actually making solutions.
Yes.
So my plea Oscar own a talent. Don't hide yourself.
Yes.
Come out and explore that. And somewhere you get an assistance.
This is Aziko Kela. This is an Muvenda. And Muvenda Upika Naive Nenda Sara. The Musizana wa Muvenda Ufi Azi.
Wow. Bofua.
I Rokole.
Botakala Mamanda.
Rotakaresa.
Hi man. We're so grateful to have you here. I saw your performance. Can you please take us through your performance, your genre of music that you are singing? And please, are you always again Oscar classic venda? Give a classic venda.
I also